on Pause Breathe Smile.
What's that? Isn't that a way of calming yourself down or something?
Exactly like that, still it. Pause Breathe Smile is a way of calming us down when you are upset, grumpy, or even when you're too excited.
That sounds cool and all, but how do you do it?
Great question. Let's get someone from Toss the Pot to tell us how you do it. How it helps them and gives us a bit more of an explanation of what it is.
What's up, bro? Can you tell me what Pause Breathe Smile is? Breathe Smile is a way of calming yourself down to one emotion. Shotguns. Gee, anytime. Now I know what it is, but now we gotta find out how to do it.
Tag!
Hello, ladies. You wouldn't happen to know what Pause Breathe Smile is?
I'm not a lady, but anyways.
So do you guys know what it is?
Who doesn't?
Do you girly pops think you can teach me?
Sure, I guess so.
Again, I'm not a girl.
OMG, Slay Queen!
Let's go sit over there. Okay, first we sit down and then we close our eyes and Charlie's going to take through the steps for us. Straight back, soft belly. If your mind starts to wander, say wandering, silent in your head. When you hear the bell, breathe in and out 5 times. Let's do round room feedback. I'll start calm. Happy. Tired. Relaxed. Hungry! I don't know. Do you kind of have an idea how to do it?
I think I do. Thank you. Later, Swakies.
Let's go ask this rando what she thinks about Pause Breathe Smile.
Excuse me, ma'am. I was wondering if you've done Pause Breathe Smile before.
Yeah, I've done it tons of times.
How do you feel about it?
I think it's amazing and really great to help when you're feeling really in the red zone and stressed or angry or upset. It's a great tool to help you go to the green zone and feel calm and happy again.
Awesome. How does your friend feel about it?
I like it because I can sit next to her.
Thank you for your time.
No worries, but Joshua, can you make sure you're at class on time next week?
Sure, Rando. That's totally not 100% my teacher. It's awkward, but at least we got our answers to our questions.
Well, that looks like Joshua found answers to all of our questions. What's the project? The project was simply finding out what Pause Breathe Smile is. Remember